4 minus 1, that's 3, quick maths. Everyday man's on the block, smoke trees. See your girl.
Welcome to you e-learning classes managed by Modern English School, Nawada. Dear student, myself Vijay Kumar, mathematics teacher, Modern English School, New Area, Nawada. A student, today I solve some theorem of the triangle related to areas, and this other name of this theorem is areas theorem, and other theorem related to area theorem. So see here. First questions of this exercise 7c related to triangle. This theorem is also called the areas theorem. Dear students, it states that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. That means triangles are similar, then the ratio of their areas is equal to the square of their corresponding sides. So first we write given, that is let ABC similar to triangle DEF. It is given that. To prove ratio of their areas, area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF, it is the ratio of the area, is equal to the square of their corresponding side. Corresponding side means it is AB, then it is DB. AB is the corresponding to D, so square of it. So AB square by DA square. Next BC, it's EF. So BC square by EF square. And last AC square by TF square. Construction, draw perpendicular to BC and DN perpendicular to EF. AM perpendicular to BC and DN perpendicular to EF. Next, now we start proof. Triangle ABC similar to triangle DF. This whole triangle are similar to this whole triangle. Then we can write AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. That is equation first. Next, now in triangle ABM and triangle DEM, I write here angle B is equal to angle E. Why? Because ABC similar to DF, then they are equiangular. If two triangles are similar, then it is clear it is equiangular. Equiangular means angles are equal to corresponding. So B is equal to E. Next, it is perpendicular, so it is 90, 90. So M is equal to N. This is angle M and this is angle N, 90. So triangle ABM similar to DN by AA property. So now write their sides in the ratio. So write AB by DE is equal to AM by DN. It is second equation. It is first equation, AB by D is equal to BC by EF, and it is AB by D is AM by DN. That means AM by DN is equal to BC by EF. That means AM by DN is equal to BC by EF. Now write the area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to half into base into height. Here half into base into height. Then it is cancel. It is equal to BC by EF into AM by DN. And your question is BC by EF and AM by DN is equal to also BC by EF. So write it BC by EF. Then you write area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to BC square by EF square. Similarly, you write other area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF. Similarly, write you AB square by DE square is equal to BC square by EF square is equal to AC square by DF square. Proof, because all our ratios are the equal due to similar. Thanks. Second theorem, if the areas of two similar triangles are equal, then prove that the triangle are congruent. Here two conditions are given. First, triangle are similar, and second condition, the area of these two triangles are equal. Then you have to prove these are congruent. So dear student, first I write given, and given is two things. First, triangle ABC is similar to DEF. That is given that. And next, area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DEF. To prove triangle ABC congruent, it is a sign of congruent to triangle DEF. Construction no need in this question. Write proof. Before the proof, the first theorem used in every theorem of this exercise. First theorem in this exercise, that is name is area theorem. That is, two triangles, similar triangles, ratio of their areas are equal to the square of their corresponding sides. So first you remember the statement of this theorem, and this statement is in every questions and every theorem in exercise 7C. So dear student, first you remember it. I write here, we know that the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of their corresponding sides. You remember it and write in every question. So we write here area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square by DA square, BC square by EF square, AC square by DF square. That is question first. Second, it is given that area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DEF. This is go that side, then ABC divided by area DF, then you get here is 1. So second equation is 1. LHS is area of triangle ABC, and here area DEF. Here is also area of triangle ABC, area of DEF. Both LHS are equal. Then you write RHS is also equal. So what is the RHS? RHS is AB square by DA square. Its RHS is AB square by DA square is equal to BC square by EF square. EF square is equal to AC square by DF square is equal to 1. Then AB square by DA square is equal to 1. So AB square is equal to DA square, that is AB is equal to DE. Similarly, you write other like as BC square by EF square is equal to 1, then BC square is equal to EF square. So by cross multiplication. So BC is equal to EF. Similarly, AC is equal to DF. Here are three questions. AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF, and AC is equal to DF. So now in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, you write AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF, and AC is equal to DF. So triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF by SSS, because use all three sides, area are equal, then their sides will be also equal. So by SSS method, you can write the both triangle are congruent. That's now see theorem 3. That is prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of their corresponding altitudes. Altitudes is a line segment drawn from the vertex and perpendicular to the opposite sides. Dear student, in the given, it is given that the triangle are similar. Ratio of the areas of two similar triangles. So I write triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. And AM and DN are the altitudes. That means AM perpendicular to BC and DN perpendicular to EF, because these are the altitudes. To prove areas of two triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to AM square by DN square. Altitude is AM and this altitude is DN. Again write the theorem of first of this chapter. This is, we know that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of their corresponding sides. That means area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square by DE square. That is equation first. Next, we take the similarity relation between ABM and DEN. We take here ABM and DEN. In triangle ABM and DEN, M is equal to N, that is 90, because these are the altitudes. And angle B is equal to angle E, because both triangle are given similar. So it is similar, then it is equiangular. So B is equal to E. By A property, triangle ABM similar to DN. That means these two small triangles are similar by A property. Hence, AB by DE is equal to AM by DN. AB by DE is equal to AM by DN. That is equation second. First, AB by DE square. Here is AB by DE, AM by DN. So, at the place of AB by DE, we can write AM by DN. So, value of second equation we substitute in the equation first. So, what you get? At the place of AB, you write AM. At the place of D, you write DN. So, AM square by DN square, that is proved. It is your question, that area of triangle ABC by DN, AM square by DN square. Now, questions number 4, theorem 4. That is prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangle is equal to the square of their corresponding median. Before this, I solve a square of their altitudes. Now solve a square of their median, and then last solve a square of their angle bisector. So, dear students, first we write triangle ABC similar to DEF, already given, and AM and DN are the medians of the triangle ABC and DEF respectively. To prove area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to AM square by DN square. It is median means these are the equal. Here these parts are the equal. AM square by DN square. Right? Construction no need in these questions. Again we write the statement of first theorem of this exercise. I told you before that time that this statement is very important for this exercise. I think every question can start with the help of this statement. So remember this statement of this exercise. A statement is that we know that areas of two similar triangles are equal to the square of their corresponding sides. Ratio of the areas of two similar triangles. We write ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of their corresponding sides. So I write area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square by DA square. That is equation first. Now triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. How we take the median are the same proportional. So triangle AB by DE is equal to BC by EF and also AC by DF, but here is no need. Now we BC write to BM because M is the midpoint, and EF write to EN to cancel. So AB by DE is equal to BM by EN. Now in triangle ABM and triangle DEN, AB by D and BM by EN, AB by DE and BM by EN are given, and angle B is equal to angle E. Already ABC and DF are the similar, then B is equal to E are the corresponding angle. Because all angles are similar, then it is equiangular. So angle B is equal to angle E. So by SAS, by SAS triangle ABM similar triangle DEN. So what you get? You get AB by DE is equal to AM by DN. Second equation. This equation you put in first. So what you get? When you put in first, then you get area triangle ABC by area triangle DEF is equal to, at the place of AB you write AM, and place of D you write DN. So area of these two similar triangle ratio is equal to the square of their medians. So it is the proof. Now this is the last theorem of the exercise 7C. Now at the place of median altitudes, here is the angle bisector. So dear friends, here question prove that ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding angle bisector. Here given that let triangle ABC and DF are the similar. It is given two areas of two similar triangles. So I suppose here ABC and DF are the similar. AM and DN are the bisector of angle A and D. AM is the bisector of angle A and DN is the bisector of angle D. Then prove that area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to AM square. Prove that AM square by DN a square of their angle bisector. So I write AM square by DN square. Now prove. Again we write the statements of first theorem, and that is we know that ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding sides. So dear students, I write here area of triangle ABC and area of triangle DF is equal to AB square by DA square from the first theorem of this exercise. Now we take in triangle ABM and triangle DEF. I write here B is equal to E. Why? Because ABC and DEF are the similar, then these angles are the equiangular. Equiangular means its corresponding angles are equal. So we write angle B is equal to angle E. Next, BAM is equal to EDN. BAM is equal to EDN because AY2 is equal to DY2. Because AM and DN are the angle bisector. Hence, ABM similar to triangle DN. This ABM and DN are similar. So you write AB by DE is equal to AM by DN. That is equation second. And now substitute their value of equation second in first. So what you get? You get area of triangle ABC by area of triangle DEF is equal to, at the place of AB is AM and the D is DN. So you write here AM square by DN square, and that is proved. It is the last theorem of this exercise. Next example I will give from Monday and try to solve it completely. Thank you.